Hi, today I'll be teaching you how to use Canva's Magic Design tool. Magic Design is an AI-empowered tool that will jumpstart your creative process by taking your prompts and generating presentation templates for you. First, sign up or log into Canva, then click Create a Design on the top right. Find the presentation format. This format is the only one that supports Magic Design at the moment, so be sure that you choose the right template. To access Magic Design, you may find it on the left-hand side here in the Design tab. Or if that's not available, you can always access Magic Design with the Sparkle button on the bottom right. This is also your Canva Assistant. Pressing the / key will also open your Canva Assistant. Now, simply search for Magic Design, or if it's already in your recommended actions, then you can just click on it. Simply type in your prompt for Canva to generate a template for you. Let's try an example. A pitch deck for my yoga homestay startup. Now press Enter. The designs may take some time to load, but once they've loaded, you should see many different design choices, including templates that actually match the style of your own customized brand kit. Click See More to look at more templates in your style. By clicking on a template, you can preview all the slides and their design. If you are unhappy with the template choices, simply click Start Again on the top and regenerate more templates. Once you are satisfied, click Create My Presentation and there you have it. Now you can easily edit the text, add elements, and make it your own. I will also mention that Magic Design does have its limitations, as it only uses data up to 2021, and its generations may not always be accurate or unique. Also, it only generates up to 10 slides in a template. While Magic Design is a free AI tool, it is not available to student plans. Although Magic Design has its limitations, it is still a very useful tool for ideation and to jumpstart your presentations. Happy designing! This product demo was created with Castofly, a cloud-based web platform that allows you to record, refine, and publish product demo videos with ease.